How to access Twitter or X Analytics. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna see your profile picture. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of premium. In order to get access to your Twitter Analytics, to upgrade your X account to the premium version. Once you do that, you can easily access Twitter Analytics. Once you're on this page under Creator Hub, you will find the option of Analytics. You have to click on it. Clicking on this will give you a quick overview of your account's basic statistics like the total number of impressions, video views, new followers, and engagement rates for the last 7 days. For those who want more detailed analytics, you can click on the button that takes you to analytics.twitter.com. Here you can change the time frame to analyze more extensive data beyond the last 7 days. You'll be able to see details like organic versus paid impressions, your top posts, engagement metrics, link clicks, and more from the last 28 days. One cool feature is the ability to export this data either by tweet or by day, making it easier to track and analyze your performance over time. So this is how you can easily access X Analytics. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.